Before we jump back into our flip, Tom Wichman from Florida Friendly Landscaping Program shares with us some yard maintenance tips on proper mowing.
Mowing your grass is something almost all homeowners do at one time or another. We want to learn to do it safely, and we want to learn to do it right. First thing, before you do anything, is make sure that you go around the yard and pick up any debris. Pick up any rocks or any sticks or anything that could potentially fly, damage the mower, or damage any people around. Make sure that you're wearing closed-toed shoes. It's really important that you keep yourself safe, never mow in flip-flops or other type of shoe. Don't mow the grass while it's wet. If you can let it dry first, it's so important because it'll be at the right height and it'll also be less chance of you slipping. Now let's talk about some best management tips. We want to make sure that you're never trimming off more than 1/3 of the leaf blade of the grass at any one time. So it's really important that you mow often enough so that you're not cutting it too short. This will keep the grass healthy and also prevent a lot of disease issues down the road. Now you want to look for the recommended height and always mow at the recommended height. So find out what species of grass you have and then look to University of Florida or some other source so that you have the right height for your turf type. It's really important that we change directions every time we mow. That way we won't develop ruts in the turf. And make sure you have a sharpened mower blade. Think about the damage that a dull mower blade can do. It rips and tears the grass. Make sure you keep the clippings off of hard surfaces. Clippings left on driveways and sidewalks can wash into the streets and down into storm drains and really pollute our environment. And let your clippings lay on the lawn. They'll break down, they'll provide some nutrients to the soil and protect the environment as well. With these tips, you'll keep your lawn looking great and you'll be safe as well.